everyone, welcome back to our Computer Easila recap video. In this video, we will recap some of the key concepts in the topic of application. We will first go through what is an application, then some basic application operations such as opening and closing an application. Lastly, application management including installing and uninstalling an application. First, what is application? It is a program that you can open and use to do different things on computers. For example, a word processing application like Microsoft Word allows you to write and edit documents like letters or stories. Next, let's revise on some of the basic application operations. First, let's start with opening an application. To open an application, we can simply double-click the icon on the desktop, or we can search for the application name in the search box, then click on it to open it.
Next, let's see how we can resize an application window.
If the application window is too small or too large, we can always resize it. Just place our cursor at the edge of the window until a double-headed arrow is shown. Then, we drag it up and down, and it can be resized. You can also resize it left and right, and even on the edge. If you want to make it full screen, you can click on the square button and it will maximize the application window. To make the window smaller again, simply click on the same button and it will go back to the same size. To minimize it, we can click on the button with an underscore that is next to it and it will be hidden. To reopen it, we can search for the icon in the taskbar and click on it.
Now, let's see how we can switch between different windows.
To switch between different opening windows, we can make use of the shortcut key Alternate and Tab. Simply holding your Alternate key and then keep pressing Tab until you get the window that you want to open and release your alternate key. To close an application, we can click on the close button that is located on the top right corner of the application window, or we can make use of the shortcut key Alternate F4. It is not always that the application we want to use is already installed in our computer. The first way to install an application is by using Microsoft Store. We can first go to the bottom left corner and search for Microsoft Store. And then we click on it to open it. Let's say we want to install WhatsApp on our computer. We can search for it in the search bar. And we look for the app that we want to install, which is WhatsApp. Then we can click on the install button. Now, if you search for WhatsApp in our computer, it is installed and we can start using it. Now, if we no longer want to use an app anymore, we can uninstall it from our computer as well. First, click on the Windows button and then the Settings button. After this window is open, look for this part called Apps and click on it. Then we can search for the app that we want to uninstall using this search box. Let's say we want to uninstall WhatsApp. We can just click on it and click uninstall. Now, WhatsApp is already uninstalled from our computer. Now, we have recapped all the important concepts from the application topics. Feel free to try out the playground for more practices or test your knowledge. You can follow the link shown on the screen or find the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching our Computer Easila recap video for the application topic, and see you back here next time.